Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of PlayGroup, early year 1, welcome to English language series of the Mashal schools. As your book is New Oxford Modern English book, today we are going to talk about page number 2. And I said yesterday in previous lecture that we are going to talk about tracing different things. So today the topic is actually trace the dotted lines. On this page you have some dotted lines which we are going to trace, and by tracing that particular line we will be able to learn how to trace, because these dotted lines are in a proper row. You have to dot, you have to trace over that. As I said yesterday, the first line is actually vertical line, and there is a starting point here and an ending point here with an arrow. What we do here, we start from there and we go all the way down, just like this. Again we start here and we go all the way down. Again we start here and go all the way down. Again we start here and we go all the way down. Do. This is the exercise on this page. It means that the first thing is that you have to draw, you have to trace vertical line up to down. This is your first method. After tracing this, you should not be limited to these lines. Draw more lines in your notebook, but for your easiness, for your comfort, make the lines small. Practice that as much as possible. After that you can lengthen the line, and as lengthen the line is, as long the line is, that much practice it will want, because your fine motor skills and your gross motor skills are involved in it. For example, if you see this is small line, it is easy to draw. But if there are long lines, then I need much more efforts to draw this line, because there is more area getting covered. Okay, these were vertical lines. Now let's dive in to horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are plain lines that are just like the ground level, the water level, and different things. For example, here is a boat. This is said to be vertical line, and this is said to be horizontal line. So now let's practice horizontal lines. For example, this is starting point. I have to start it from here and go all the way there. Now starting from here, going all the way there. This is the practice. The same for this line as well. If you are going to learn, you have to start it from small lines, and with passage of time, with increasing your confidence and with empowering your skills of motors and gross, you will be able to draw longer lines. For example, first you have to draw lines like this. Like you can draw lines like these in your notebook, because these are easy to draw. And after learning this, after being expert in this line, then you will be good to go with longer lines. For example, like this. I'm sorry. Remember, the longer the line is, the more the effort it will want. The longer the line is, the more area it covers, and the more the skill it needs for. That's why you have to practice the small lines for a lot more time. Practice as much as possible, and after that go into longer lines and draw them. And when you were able to draw these both lines, it will almost cover your 10% of your writing, because in your writing these two lines has lots of its part. We will explain it later. So as much as you practice, you will be able to write nicely. Thank you.